Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you for joining in, Abhay and Vikas. And we are on chapter number 9 of this beautiful book, Eat That Frog, that talks about 21 ways to beat procrastination. Today's chapter talks about prepare thoroughly before you begin. Let me quickly share the screen and we shall start reading. Prepare thoroughly before you begin. No matter what the level of your ability, you have more potential than you can ever develop in a lifetime. One of the best ways for you to overcome procrastination and get more things done faster is for you to have everything you need at hand before you begin. When you're fully prepared, you're like a cocked gun and an anchor with an arrow pulled back taut in the bow. You just need one small mental push to get started on a on your highest value task. So in the last session, we have already spoken about the high value task, right? What it is saying is कि if I'm sitting on this table and if I'm trying to do something, it would be better if I have my book here, I have my laptop here, I have my PDF there, I have everything there, and I have my highlighters and my pens and everything, all the stationery that might be requiring while doing this session in front of me with me. Because अगर मैं यहाँ से उठती हूँ और बोलती हूँ अरे मेरे पास बुक नहीं है एंड आई गो टू गेट माई बुक, the chances that I'm coming back to work on the table becomes lesser. तो जब भी आप कुछ काम करने बैठ रहे हो, make sure that whatever you require while doing that work, you have it on your table. This is like getting everything ready to prepare a complete meal, such as eating a big frog. You get all the ingredients out on the counter in front of you and then begin putting the dinner together, one step at a time. Begin by clearing off your desk or workspace so that you only have one task in front of you. If necessary, put everything on the floor or the table behind you. Gather all the information, reports, details, papers, and work material that you will require to complete the job. Have them at hand so you can reach them without getting up or moving. That's exactly what I said. कि अगर मेरे को बुक रीडिंग सेशन होस्ट करना है तो इसके अंदर मेरे को जो जो सामान चाहिए, if I have it in front of me with me, I will not be distracted and that distraction will not lead to procrastination. Be sure, नहीं, fine. Where are we? Be sure that you have all the writing material, login information, access codes, email addresses, and everything else you need to start working and continue working until the job is done. We decided the other day that हमने जब पता कर लिया, हमारे को पता चल गया what is the highest value work that we need to do, we are not getting off the table till it is completely done. And for that to happen, we need to have all the things that we require in our space. Set up your work area so that it is comfortable, attractive, and conducive to working for long periods. Especially make sure that you have a comfortable chair that supports your back and allows your feet to sit flat on the floor. Also, I would say have a water bottle by your side and everything कि भैया आप इसको पानी पीना है के चक्कर में या आप डिहाइड्रेट मत हो जाना first of all, and then if you have water you don't have to get up and get the water and you just have the water by your side and have it. Create a comfortable workspace. The most productive people take the time to create a work area where they enjoy spending time. The cleaner and the neater your work area before you begin, the easier it is for you to get started and keep going. One of the greatest techniques for overcoming procrastination, that means eating the frogs, is for you to get everything completely ready that you need to work in advance. When everything is laid out in order and sequence, you feel much more like getting on with the job. Get on with the job. It is amazing how many books never get written, how many degrees never get completed, how many life changing tasks never get started because people fail to take the first step of preparing everything in advance. Okay. Los Angeles attracts. मेरी गायब हो जाता है. Sorry. Can you read the first sentence? Okay, I've got that. Los Angeles attracts people from all over America who dream of writing successful movie scripts and selling it to one of the studios. They move to Los Angeles and work at low level jobs for years while they dream of writing and selling a popular script. Recently, the Los Angeles Times sent a reporter onto the Wilshire Boulevard to interview passers-by. When the people came along, he asked them one question: how is your script coming? 3 out of 4 passersby replied, almost done. The sad fact is that almost done probably meant not yet started. Don't let this happen to you. Launch towards your dreams. Once you have completed your preparations, it is essential that you launch immediately towards your goals. Get started. Do the first thing, whatever it is. My personal rule is get it 80% right and then correct it later. Run it up the flagpole and see it anyone salutes. See if anyone salutes. Don't expect perfection the first time or even the first few times. Be prepared to fail over and over before you get it right. The biggest enemies we have to overcome on the road of success are not lack of ability or opportunity, but fear of failure and rejection, and the doubts that they trigger. The only way to overcome your fear is to do the things you fear. And as Emerson wrote, the death of fear is certain. Wayne Gretzky, the great hockey player, once said, you miss every shot you don't take. If you are not doing the work, you are missing every shot. And if you're not taking a shot, then goal is not going to happen, right? And there are many people who keep seated because they are thinking कि जब perfect होगा, जब मेरे को सब कुछ आता होगा, then only I will start doing the things. It does not work that way. When you are 80% ready, get started. बाकी का 20% जो shifts हैं, जो improvements हैं, जो perfection की तरफ चीज जानी है, it will happen in the process of it. Once you have completed your preparations, have the courage to take the first action and everything else will follow from that. The way you develop the courage you need is to act as if you already had the courage and behave accordingly. So it is very nicely said in the industry that when you start acting as if, मतलब अगर आपके पास करेज नहीं है और आप सोच रहे हो कि यार पता नहीं कैसे स्टार्ट करूं, जब मेरे पास करेज होगा तब मैं स्टार्ट करूंगा या करूंगी. It is for you to start acting as if you are supremely courageous and start doing the action. Start thinking that you're supremely confident and start delivering the stuff. Take the first step. When you sit down with everything in front of you, ready to go, assume the body language of high performance. Sit up straight, sit forward and away from the back of the chair. Carry yourself as though you were an efficient, effective, high performing personality. Then pick up the first item and say to yourself, let's get to work, and plunge in. And once you have started, keep going until the job is finished. Abhay, would you like to share How do you resonate with your action plan about this chapter, what we have just read?
So, what I can see, like, it is about the preparation, how can I prepare myself? Like, it's all about my way of looking, to be ready. So, what I mean to say is like, I have to be ready with everything.
Hmm.
Like, so So as we drive a car, we check everything. Like if there is a required air on the wheel, there is a petrol on the car, there is a brakes, and once we are ready with everything surrounding, we get the confidence.
Yes.
So similarly, like what recently you shared that how we can our posture, sitting, and all these things, and so once we have to be prepared. What I mean to say.
You have taken a very beautiful example of, driving the car. This reminds me of a, road trip. When we have to go on a road trip, we make sure the petrol tank is full, the car has all the tires are fully done, the stepney is okay. We make sure that we have all the things that we need on the way. We have all the eatables. We can, if we don't have a, some stoppage in between, we have everything that we need. We have water in the water bottles in the car as well, so that in case we feel thirsty, we have water to drink. We have all, we prepare before we start. And that is exactly how things we can do for ourselves as well. And I liked the, how he has shared ki, um, when your table is clutter free, it will help you to remain, fully focused on the task that you are doing. If you have, so if I'm sitting on my table right now and if it is cluttered with so many papers here and some books here and I don't know what all there, I think I will feel so distracted कि ये हाथ पे कभी ये लग रहा है, कभी इस तरफ से ये कुछ गिर रहा है and everything. If I have my table clutter free with only the specific things that I need at the time of this session, I think I will not be distracted at all and I will be having much higher performance capability, right? And we should make sure that whenever we are sitting for any kind of task, what is the task, I would like to ask you, Abhay, that you are putting off, that you are procrastinating on right now, today?
So I mean, you mean to say what are the tasks I'm not doing or I'm postponing?
Only one task.
So there are, yeah, many actually. Right now, I have to go out for some work, as of now. I have to go into the morning actually, but I was, you know, I didn't go.
And what stopped you from not going?
Yeah, actually, I was looking like, I will go in the afternoon. I was just postponing it. There is an appointment with one of the client, and I messaged him in the morning, and he told that I will get back to you. I will call you, and I also thought let him call me, and I will go, and I will do another work.
Hmm.
Something like it looks like a lack of interest.
Hmm.
Sometimes when we don't want to go, we give excuses,
Hmm.
and so I can see that sometimes I assume like this will be the boring work. Even
And do you
even
know, yesterday I think you were not in the session, but we spoke about, those tasks that are very high value tasks. And we have done, Komal was there with me, and I think we did this activity at our own pace as well. What is the highest value task that we need to do? Those are the three things, the three tasks that we need to do. Is meeting your client a priority task for you?
right.
Then why should we procrastinate? I think you should be prepared in advance. Maybe if you have a meeting in the morning with somebody, you have to remind them a day earlier, right? Maybe a night before. and you can fix a time so that you do not procrastinate on it, and you set an alarm for yourself कि भैया इतने बजे तो मुझे निकलना ही है, जो मर्जी हो जाए. Let's start working towards this, right?
Right, right.
All right, let's hear it from Vikas.
Yes, preparation and organization. These are two most important things. We also call it priming. Preparation beforehand and setting the tone in advance. What we are about to do, check at your end whether the things that you require to do the task are readily available or not. And I will share with you two glaring examples as you were discussing about this water bottle lying on the table. Yes, we whenever you are about to do certain thing for which you are not excited about, or you are slightly hesitant or reluctant, you have the tendency to pull yourself back.
And then we
That's
take
why
excuses कि अरे मेरे को तो प्यास लग रही है, जरा पानी पी के आती हूँ फिर करती हूँ.
so that's why it is important to keep things ready. And
Yes.
let me share with you my own example. During winter, I had this kept this challenge for myself that I would drink 5 liters of water every day, 4 to 5 liters, and I used to carry two water bottles every single day to office, and it was I just wanted to ensure that these two bottles are consumed during the office hours itself. At least 2 liters of water I should consume. And strangely enough, on one particular day, as I reached the office, I kept the water bottle at more than an arm's length, for which I would have to stand up and reach for that water bottle so that I can drink water. And you won't believe these two water bottles, which were away from my arm's length, and I had to go back home with all the two bottles completely filled up. So that level of preparation is required. Means you have to make things as easy, as readily available as possible.
So
Let me
you are saying if we were away, you were not drinking them.
Yes.
yes.
And it was not that far away, Komal. It
Yes.
was just a one-arm distance that he had to get up to get the bottle from there.
Yes.
Yeah. Even at my home, dad tells to keep all the things at dining table. How can we keep every table at dining table? Because those who are out of sight, they are out of mind.
Yeah.
Something is like this, which Vikas sir is also talking about. Like, or in the cupboards, if we will keep 1 month, and he will say, "Why you have kept there? I'm not able to eat that. That was a good thing for him to eat," and he would say, "You are hiding it away." It's like hiding it away. So, and for water, yeah, everybody already, we were taught that 60 kg person, 3 liters, 80 kg person, 4 liters, that range. If I'm just 40 or someone is 40 to 60, 2.5 liters or two. Basically, it is related to the weight also. If 80, 4 liters is enough. And if 100, if you are 100, then you need 5 liters. Yeah. And more than 100 also 5 liters. So that was this Herbalife people they do in that club for everyone. Yesterday also I was in one Sonia's club, this who is learning Reiki from Della ma'am. So she just put Komal Aja, just attend this. And then I saw that rule is very significant for them, which they are sharing with their community, this water intake. And they are thinking water to be the first thing to get into better health and weight loss or weight management. First thing, every day they talk about only water intake. Very most important they have kept water. Then they will look into protein shakes, which they give that is the main thing. Protein they have now their shakes and herbal tea.
Let's allow Vikas to finish what he was saying, and then we'll come to you.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes. So I will tell you another example. I had to call carpenter there was some issue with this cupboard, and I had to call the carpenter. And that number was not there in the mobile. It was there in some diary, which I forgot to bring. And for that, I had to call my wife. She would give me the number, and I would call the carpenter. That much inconvenience was enough for me not to call the carpenter.
Absolutely.
So, when we are talking about preparation, we have to be extra careful, and that's why organization, the organized things on the table and all, is very, very important. And when I have to go for morning walk, I keep my trousers and
Shoes
tracksuits
and everything ready
and everything
beforehand. Before going to sleep only,
before
I
going to
make
sleep
sure
on.
that these. So other day I was telling somebody that if you are looking forward to start working out, सुबह उठते ही तुम्हारे को दिखाई देने चाहिए शूज एंड सॉक्स. वहां से शूज एंड सॉक्स जब तुम पहन लोगे तो वो तुम्हारे को ट्रिगर करता ही रहेगा कि यस आई हैव टू गो एंड डू द वर्कआउट नो मैटर व्हाट. And you are not allowed to take off the shoes and socks till you have done the workout or you have done the walk. तभी देखो कैसे काम करती है चीजें.
बहुत ही
Yes,
बेस्ट थिंग लग रहा है ये, बिकॉज आई कैन सी सिचुएशन असेसिबिलिटी. अब ये मोबाइल असेसिबल है तो मेरी सारी वर्कशॉप्स और ये सब हो पा रहा है बिकॉज दिस इज असेसिबल. इसमें मैसेज आएगा एंड आई विल बी एबल टू जॉइन इट, राइट. जो थिंग्स मुझे इंपॉर्टेंट है, चाहे जॉब अप्लाई करना, वो क्यों नहीं हो रही? वो बिकॉज थोड़ा फार अवे है मेरे से. ईमेल ढूंढना होगा, सर्टिफिकेशन ढूंढने हैं और सब कुछ. कोर्सेज अप्लाई करना जो इजी है वो फटाफट हो जाता है. लॉग इन, जस्ट बुक क्लब चल रहा है and this dance club, okay, go and do this exercise, do, because वो zoom links आ रहे हैं in the WhatsApp and mobile सबके पास accessible है, so we are able to do these things.
Komal, what are you procrastinating on right now? What are the
Yeah,
three
certificates,
जो आपको
finding certificates. No, today you were asking Abhina one thing, so my mind was saying find certificates to apply for the nutrition course, because
Wonderful.
I came to this house for that only, because otherwise I would have stayed there. My dad was saying, why you want to go early, तुम्हें तो वो वहाँ better, like we have to be there. So but I had to come because my certificates are in this house.
So do I expect those certificates to be out and clicked in your phone today?
Yeah, today or tomorrow. How if
Tomorrow
I
क्यों?
have to
Tomorrow
find
क्यों?
I will start finding
अच्छा.
if they, I mean, we don't know where they are.
Okay.
Finding means I have to search at my home.
Okay.
Yeah,
चलो
yeah,
ठीक है, आज मिल जाने चाहिए. एंड ना वो
yes,
ग्रुप में मैं फोटो रात के 12 बजे तक आ जानी चाहिए. मिल गया, छप गया. इस छप गया. ऑलराइट.
yeah. अभी तो यही है क्योंकि 31st is the last day to apply for nutrition program which I want to do, and I love nutrition. You have seen I'm always talking about nutrition, so if
Yeah.
I will apply, then I'll get a diploma in that. So this thing is there. Yeah.
Let's quickly read the end part of this, wherein Brian Tracy has shared 2 points के अंदर complete, this thing कि क्या करना है आज आपको. Take a good look at your desk or office, both at home and at office. Ask yourself, what kind of a person works in an environment like that? The cleaner and neater your work environment, the more positive, productive, and confident you feel. Oh, I am so glad कि मेरा table साफ है. And I feel very irritated. It is a fact that I feel very irritated when I have things around me. So a few days back, my daughter was doing her project work sitting on my table, and she had a bunch of pages here. And as जितनी बार I was coming and sitting to host the session, I was like, why are these lying here? Why I only need one patla sa register here just to make notes in case I need to make notes, and that's it. And I have to have some paper, pen और ये सब pencil का यहाँ पे box रखा हुआ है. So that whatever I need, जल्दी से यहाँ से पकड़ा और लिख लिया. I don't want anything on my table. And she was like, अच्छा ठीक है, हटा लेती हूँ. And I was like, this is not going to go away. And I picked up a bag, I put all the sheets in there, and I was like, can you please take care of your sheets? And she's like, okay. But yes, it is true that the more clutter-free area you sit in, more distraction-free area it becomes. And you tend to do better.
Yeah. Organized mind.
Yes. And number 2 is resolve today to clean up your desk and office completely so that you feel effective, efficient, and ready to get going each time you sit down to work. I am fully feeling supremely happy today. Reason being कि अगर मैं नहीं भी करती ना तो द लिटिल वन जो मेरी सबसे छोटी वाली डॉटर है व्हेन शी कम्स टू दिस रूम एंड शी सीज कि यहाँ पे कुछ कुछ बुक्स फैलाई हुई हैं कुछ किया हुआ है तो शी मेक श्योर कि शी क्लीन्स द टेबल क्योंकि जब मम्मी बैठने वाली है तो मम्मी का दिमाग खराब हो जाएगा फिर देख के कि अरे यार मैं कैसे स्टार्ट करूं इतना सारा है पहले मैं सारा साफ करूंगी एंड देन आई विल स्टार्ट डूइंग द वर्क सो यस आई एम ग्लैड दैट मेरा ये काम हो चुका है दिस इज अ टास्क फॉर यू And I've seen Vikas का workstation as well. It is also very organized and clean. बस उसकी बॉटल कभी कभी थोड़ी सी दूर हो जाती है तो
For me, I have a lot of books lying here, books and notebooks.
I have books, but I have made sure I have put another table here, right here, थोड़ा सा नीचे लेंथ पे,
Yeah,
wherein I have put all the books कि मेरे को ये
True.
तंग ना करें कि यहाँ पे मेरे
हाँ.
टेबल के एरिया में
Because you don't need them daily, na? You don't need those books every day. So yeah.
नहीं मेरा बहुत बड़ा बुक रैक दूसरे कमरे में है जिसमें 70
True.
80 90 बुक्स है और ये वाला है जिसको मैं को हर रोज थोड़ा सा कुछ ना कुछ तो रजिस्टर चाहिए यहाँ से कोई ना कोई नोट्स चाहिए कोई ना कोई
Yeah.
बुक चाहिए दैट आई एम रीडिंग
True.
तो अभी ये पढ़ रही हूँ तो सिर्फ ये टेबल पे है रात को
True.
ये पढ़नी होगी तो ये नीचे से निकल के आएगी
Wonderful. Huh.
तो that's how I have organized my things and
Yeah.
the more organized you are, the better the results will start showing. So make sure that you do that. And आज कोमल अपने certificates ढूंढ रही है. By the way, Komal, yesterday we were to write 3 most valuable things that we need to do every single day. Could you find anything for yourself? Highest
would say-
value.
Yeah, I'll say that I was planning to do that from 2 to 4 p.m. So, but now this session started early. I have not yet done that. Yeah. Yeah, those were 3 goals. I'll have to sit and do that. Yeah.
चलो let's switch.
In 30 seconds, definitely we did that exercise. But another one
30
was writing.
seconds में करोगे ना तो 30 seconds में it said that you are going to get the exact actual subconscious mind में जो
Ask
दिमाग
Vikas sir for 30-second thing.
हाँ Vikas what is the yesterday we read about the apply the law of 3 and if
You
you
can
could
read
do
from it.
only one more thing so it the one thing that we need to do every single day के बारे में उन्होंने पूछा था if you could do only one thing from the list of so many things that you have to do every single day, which one task would contribute the greatest value to your company or your work area? And I want you to think of it in 30 seconds and share with us.
अभी तो मेरा फिलहाल प्रेजेंटेशन है एक जो मेरे को देना है
कितने बजे?
आज नहीं जो देना है उदयपुर में
Okay.
Right.
Yes.
So I am focusing currently on that with respect to the work of the organization.
Another one was you have to tell your in 30 seconds you have to tell your most important Karishma priorities in life.
Most important priority that I am doing now.
Yeah, you get 30 seconds now.
Both
Priorities or goals in life.
See, the most important thing is taking care of health and all my growth. I am doing both together now.
Okay, health and growth. Yeah, growth and health. And the third goal?
Third goal is to add value to people's life, which I'm also doing every day. So the thing that I'm procrastinating is launching my own website in a professional manner, which I have yet to do. That is the thing which I had set the target for in the beginning of January itself. But we are already into 3rd week of January, but I haven't done anything with respect to that as yet.
तो क्वेश्चन पता है क्या था? In 30 seconds, write down your 3 most important goals in life right now. And while I was writing it, you know what? I have never ever set any intention. I have never set any goals around health.
Hmm.
And when I was asked, when we did this activity together, तो सेकेंड नंबर पे मेरे दिमाग में आया हेल्दी बॉडी चाहिए। एंड आई वाज लाइक ओए, ये कहाँ से आया, इसका तो कहीं दिमाग में कहीं कहीं वो नहीं था। एंड आई वाज लाइक ओके, नाउ दैट आई हैव रिटन इट, आई विल स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन इट। तो टुडे
देखो,
ओनली
मेरे को लोगों का पता चल जाता है, कैसे पता है? I see who are the active members in a group. Whether you have bothered to just go and check what is going in the group. If you have not watched any activity in the group, this means this group is least important for you. That way I can make out whether, see,
now
if
you will see the consistency I'm going to show from tonight. I'm going to share my step counts every single day.
I just want this was just poking point that I shared with you so that you all are on track.
I didn't understand which group, like you have many groups, or which is not
Fitness group, I'm talking about fitness group. So
okay. अगर activity नहीं आ रहा, मतलब people are not
activity
working.
मतलब
You said.
you have not bothered to even have a look at the group, just open the group. This
Yes,
means
I don't even open it. There are times when जब बहुत कुछ हो रहा होता है, मैसेजेस आ रहे होते हैं, then I go open it, इसे क्या चल रहा है, ओए होए लोग इतना चले जा रहे हैं, बंद
so
कर यार, मेरे को दिमाग कर
so
रहा है।
I can make out what is your priority just by observing your pattern.
Yes.
Yes. So yes, your action has to be commensurate with your priority. If it is really my priority, then I will start taking action.
No,
If
but
it,
the thing is, what this person is saying here, Brian Tracy, what he has said is, we have found that when people have only 30 seconds to write their 3 most important goals, their answers are as accurate as if they had 30 minutes or 3 hours. Their subconscious mind seems to go into hyperdrive, and their 3 most important goals pop out in their head and onto the paper, often to surprise people doing the exercise.
So 3 most important goals in life आपका विकास सर clear है, यही आंसर है?
क्या
3 most important goals in life में यही आंसर है, clear है? Priorities और goals.
वो प्रायोरिटीज अलग हो सकते हैं, गोल्स अलग हो सकता है.
Yes.
Okay. What is the question? Goals or priority?
Goals.
Okay, so goals में आपका is this the same answer?
नहीं, गोल तो मेरा हेल्थ इज नॉट ए गोल, इट इज अ लाइफ स्टाइल. It has to be throughout my life, right? So I do not keep this, ideally speaking, which you should do every single day, like it is a daily goal, not time based goal कि मेरे को इतना दिन तक में ये चीज
That's
करना
why
है.
उसने
देखो
30 second दिया कि
हाँ
just जो mind में आया that would be
हाँ, तो
a
बस
thing.
देखो अभी मेरे हेल्थ प्रायोरिटी है, तो इसलिए हेल्थ आया अंदर से, है ना?
Family नहीं आया. I'm just thinking कि family नहीं आया. So that's why my
देखो
question.
सी देखो आपके
मेरा
दिमाग
कुछ नहीं आता.
में, आई विल टेल यू द साइकोलॉजी बिहाइंड इट. जो चीज आप नेग्लेक्ट कर रहे हो ना, वो चीज आएगा आपके दिमाग में, क्योंकि इट इज ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द माइंड. इफ यू आर
Yeah.
ऑलरेडी हैप्पी, full leading a happy life with your family, giving time your relationship, so you need
तो
not
नहीं
work
आया.
on that ना.
नहीं,
That's
बट
why
मेरे को 3 में आया था, मेरे को
ठीक
3rd
है.
नंबर पे आया था, बट इट्स लाइक बिकॉज मेरे बहुत सारे लिमिटिंग बिलीव्स आर आल्सो अराउंड फैमिली ओनली,
हाँ, तो
तो
देखो
इसलिए
वो
मेरे
हो
ख्याल
सकता है.
से इट रिमेन्स विद मी ऑल द
our
टाइम।
our mind works in a different way. सबका माइंड
No,
अलग
obviously
लगता है.
विकास सर want to say important है life में, मतलब
हाँ
it's not
बट
his
उनका वो चीज इट इज गोइंग 10 on 10,
हाँ
जब वो 10 on
अपने
10
आप
तो इट डजंट बिकम द प्रायोरिटी और गोल एट दैट।
maybe when he's focused on health and other things तो वो set हो रहा होता है. Maybe वो सबसे important हो कि वो अपने आप ही हो रहा है हमेशा. It can be
देखो
the number one.
तरीका क्या है, आप डिफरेंट स्फीयर्स ऑफ लाइफ देखो, एरियाज ऑफ लाइफ, 1 to 10 में आप क्या मार्क्स दोगे उसको? अभी मेरे को लग रहा है यदि हम कोई चीज ऑलरेडी 8 है 9 है, नाउ इट इज अंडर माय कंट्रोल, तो और वो हैबिट में बन गया मेरे को, तो मैं दूसरा चीज लूंगा फिर, राइट? फिर धीरे धीरे करके मेरे को लगेगा हाँ यदि मैं नेग्लेक्ट हो रहा है तो फिर मैं उसको ध्यान दूंगा.
हाँ, फिर बंदा वो करता है ना कि देन ओके आई एम नॉट टेकिंग एनी सेशंस दिस वीकेंड, आई एम विद माय फैमिली, आई डोंट केयर व्हाट हैपेंस।
हाँ, तो आप 3 कर लो ना, बहुत बड़ी बात है.
यस,
इफ यू आर एबल टू कंट्रोल only 3 activities, 3 action steps, 3 priorities, then आपका कुछ सोचने का ज्यादा जरूरत नहीं है.
वंडरफुल। आई जस्ट वांटेड टू चेक ऑन कोमल कि हाँ उसने अपनी एक्टिविटी करी कि नहीं करी. वी हैव अनदर एक्टिविटी फॉर टुडे एज वेल. Let's make sure that we are doing the work that we are learning.
But I'm happy that this came at 2 p.m. अभी तक. आगे I won't know. अभी I have time for 2 p.m. so I'm happy about it. Yeah, I would love to say this. कि I'm happy. Because it was always clashing in my mind, na 4 p.m. and this and then dance class, what to do. Because
let's
that girl is also helping me from last year, so I could not leave uh, in between somehow. मतलब जो भी this month only she started. It's not every month we are doing. She said, okay, I want to do with you these activities. So मतलब that's it.
So let's try. I mean, क्योंकि कल I am going to my mom's, तो कल तो 4:30 होने वाला है.
Yeah.
But otherwise, I will make sure that पूरा हफ्ता हम
Then I have found a solution that 4:30 to 5 कर लो, because she is bringing at 5 p.m. Now mostly. So half an hour I'll be there, staying there.
I don't want to leave any chapter in between because this is a very short book. और एक चैप्टर का पूरा अच्छे से डिस्कशन ना हुआ हो and we leave it in between, it does not.
Nahi, I was saying for myself that if I have class, I have a choice. Ki I can leave at 5. That thing I'm saying. But I saw if you are giving priorities, then I also understood कि करिश्मा के लिए अगर 3 p.m. तक मदर के रहना है, फिर kids important है. Then I also got a solution. If you are prioritizing, it's nothing. But my mind got a solution. Then why Komal is worrying over here,
Yes.
right? मैंने किसी और को देख के सीखा कि करिश्मा is not able to change कि मदर के जाना है, फिर kids आना है. From there it was a learning for me.
Yes.
That कोमल तुम क्यों डर रही हो, फिर तुम क्यों मिस करने से वो करती हो.
Yes.
Then
But actually, the problem is that there are times when we feel the fear of missing out.
missing out, fear of missing out.
And that is वो हम कहते हैं ना फोमो हो रहा है, फोमो हो रहा है, फोमो हो रहा है कि पता नहीं क्या सीख लिया होगा लोगों ने. अरे मैं कर
यही
गई.
होता है, यही हो रहा होता है. और आर
To
वी वेस्टिंग
understand
मनी.
whatever is for
मेरा
me is going to
मेरा
come.
ये भी है कि आर यू वेस्टिंग मनी, यू इन्वेस्ट बट यू डोंट. मैंने अपने आप को वो भी प्रूव करना है ना कि तुम इन्वेस्ट करके करती नहीं हो पूरा. दैट वाज हैपनिंग सिंस लास्ट 2 years. तो वो ब्रेक कर रही थी मैं बाय रेकी से ब्रेक किया मैंने. अदरवाइज मतलब इवन एस्ट्रोलॉजर कहते थे तुम्हारा काम तो पूरा नहीं करती हो, 30% करती थी मैं. सो आई ब्रोक इट by 90 days think. I broke it by doing 2 cycles of Reiki, 2 levels of Reiki, and I'm in third one now. So I broke this pattern
Wonderful.
by doing it completely. Otherwise कुछ भी करती थी, कार्तिका मंचल कालरा, तो कुछ ना कुछ नेक्स्ट कोर्स आ जाता था.
What I would say is, set your priorities right and make things जो भी आपके लिए non-negotiables हैं, know for
Yeah.
yourself.
करिश्मा पता है क्या होता था, ये कर रहे हो फोमो आ जाता था, दूसरा मिस हो जाएगा तो वो दूसरा भी ले लेती थी, तो पहला वाला रह जाता था. गेम चल रहा था ऐसा.
Yes.
फर्स्ट किया नहीं, सेकंड आ गया, सेकंड एनरोल कर लिया, सेकंड की जगह थर्ड आ गया. तो दिस थिंग वाज हैपनिंग. ऑल द
देर आए
कोर्सेज वर
दुरुस्त आए, जब समझ में आए बढ़िया आए.
अभी मैंने मम्मी को बोला, मुझे ना ऐसे लग रहा है मैं अब ब्रेक ले चुकी हूँ, मुझे गुरु मिल गए हैं. मतलब आई एम वेयर आई एम. आई फेल्ट कि ठीक है, दीज कोर्सेज लिटिल बिट डांस बुक क्लब और मतलब जिन पे स्मॉल इन्वेस्टमेंट्स हैं, बट फॉर बिग इन्वेस्टमेंट आई एम नॉट गोइंग एनीवेयर. आई एम विद दिल्ला मैम. और लाइक मेजर थिंग्स, ये नहीं कि फिर कार्तिका के जा रहे हो, फिर मंचल कालरा पे जा रहे हो, ऐसा नहीं करूंगी अभी थोड़े टाइम. आई कैन प्रॉमिस माई सेल्फ फॉर सम टाइम. आई कैन नॉट डिफाइन इट फॉर माई होल लाइफ.
तो इट्स ओके बिकॉज देखो, दिस जर्नी इज ऑफ बीइंग अ लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्नर एज वेल. जब तक आपका एक वो है, जब तक आप एक लेवल तक नहीं पहुंचोगे, यू विल बी वेरी सेटिस्फाइड बाय लर्निंग फ्रॉम डेल्ला मैम हरसेल्फ ओनली for the bigger investment that you're talking about, right? And there will come a time, a certain period of time will come wherein you will say कि यार अब इससे ज्यादा नहीं सीखने को इनके पास. Though maybe you will stay with her, but then you will hire some another high ticket.
जैसे अगर if I am able to see कि coaching this business coaches जो पूजा पुनीत or someone who is teaching me how to do this, how to do your workshops, वो अगर डेल्ला मैम नहीं सिखा रहे हैं तो definitely कोमल will need to invest in that. वो भी clear हो गया. Mind is becoming super sharper.
Wow.
That's all.
Wonderful, wonderful. चलो,
Yeah.
we will wrap
We
up.
are learning from you.
धन्यवाद. Thank you.
Yeah, I told mama करिश्मा बोलती है मेरे को हक कर सकते हैं that. How to find positives. Yeah. So if she's like, अच्छा किसी ने कुछ बोला, I can find positive. People can like I can hug people if I have this height, this body. So I'm conveniently able to give them love.
हाँ,
विकास
very
को बताओ.
Chalo, wonderful. Thank you, Komal. That means a lot. Take care of yourself and see you tonight at 9:45 p.m. We are meeting a slightly early today.
Yeah.
Let's see how does it go.
Yesterday night also I slept at 2 because mom was also there, I was also there, and then I woke up around 11 or 12 today.
Oh.
आराम से. So then that thing I was saying विकास sir को दोबारा बात करते हैं कि let me align again. But now I have this book club, right? 2 to 3 for some other days.
Yes.
So it's not और वैसे भी I've attended so many sessions, I've not wasted any money.
Wow.
I've
Great.
got a lot of ज्ञान from Karishma. एक सेशन का ही 500 हो जाता है, 2000 हो जाता है ना? So this is we know.
Great. Thank you so
Lot of wisdom, ज्ञान, discussion, 1000 things we can write.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we will be
Wonderful.
diving into way number 10 that talks about take it one oil barrel at a time. So if you want to learn what it talks about, be there in time at 4:30 p.m. tomorrow, Pakka. Otherwise, all
Yeah.
days I'm going to keep at 2 p.m.
4 is not possible because your kids arrive ना 4.
4 p.m. बच्चे आ जाते हैं तो
हाँ
थोड़ा सा
4, yeah. They are
देर
coming at 4 ना, वही तो.
I will try अगर मेरा 4:15 तक मैं फ्री हो जाऊंगी तो I'll come at 4:15. मैं बोलूंगी तुम आ जाओगे ना.
Yeah. Main, I was thinking how you are investing and that you complete book very quickly. Like अभी शुरू हुआ था ऐसे लग रहा होता है Eat That Frog. अभी शुरू हुई थी Courage to be Disliked. और अगर हम घर पे पढ़ते हैं और anyone who tries, अगर तुम भी घर पे कर रही होती, you would just keep it. हाँ कर लूंगी.
नहीं
So
नहीं
but
मुझे
here,
मजा आता है पढ़ने में. I read. I बड़े मजे से read.
no, I meant कि जैसे तुम you were saying ना पहले नहीं करते थे आप.
हाँ पहले it was like I was reading, but I was not contemplating on it. I was not thinking about what I'm reading. I was just
Okay.
reading. मजा आ रहा है यार पढ़ने में. मजा आ रहा है पढ़ रही हूँ. But I was not
Okay.
thinking कि वो लिखा क्या है, मुझे क्या समझ में आया, मेरी लाइफ में कहाँ पे अप्लाई होता है, मैं कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट करूँ इस चीज को.
Okay. हाँ. That is a
Now,
change. Okay.
now this has shifted.
Right. Yeah.
And that's also जैसे you know how Rajiv is coming. He feels कि he has a lot to deliver. He has a lot in his heart to say. But उनको उनसे मुंह में से बाहर ही नहीं निकलता है वो चीज. People have found a lot of value in that as well. कि चलो I get a chance to speak. And when I speak, I get out whatever it is in my heart. Right?
Yes.
तो
Yes.
नॉन जजमेंटल स्पेस है तो लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है कि हाँ ठीक है मैं बात कर सकती हूँ, मैं बात कर सकता हूँ. And then I am growing through it. Right?
Totally agree. Yeah.
All right. Take care. Bye-bye. See you tonight at 9:45. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Take care.